In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blade, and this will apply to both drivers and passenger. So let's get started. To begin, lift up the wiper arm, and the way these wiper blades are designed, there's a little cap here. I'm going to have to squish these two tabs, peel the cap back, and then spread these two tabs apart, and the wiper blade comes right off. Now don't let go of this arm, because if it falls down and hits the windshield, you're going to crack your windshield. Take your new wiper blade. If it attaches the same way, go ahead and do the same thing. If not, basically just hook it on here, press it on tight, and if it has a cap, go ahead and lock it on. Gently lower your wiper arm, and then do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.